Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my last video from this series from Tulum, and today I'm gonna be showing you a little bit around what else to see and do and pretty much my last days here. But before we jump into the video, go ahead and check my previous video because there is a giveaway going on of some beautiful jewelry tattoos that I was wearing during my trip here, and you don't want to miss that. So go ahead and check that because you still have time to participate. And without more further ado, let's jump into the video. So this is pretty much outside the hotels in Tulum, in this hotel area, and here you will find all types of stores. In every little corner you will see stores like with clothing, all types of arts, everything handicraft by local people or by Mexicans. There is no corner left in Tulum where you don't find a store with designing clothing or so many beautiful products, mainly handmade. We wanted to experience also the local culture here in Tulum, and we noticed that there's room for every types of budgets. If you're on a budget and you don't want to give so much money out, definitely you will find places here where you can stay at a very affordable price and still have the best experience ever. So here we are at Playa Paraiso, also a very beautiful side of Tulum, where you will find lots of hotels and restaurants at a more affordable price than those at the other side of Tulum at the hotel area, what they call. So here we are now at the side of Playa Paraiso, where it's more for the public, it's more accessible, and here you will find all types of places where you will have more like a local feeling. So sunset is here. It's so beautiful, the colors in the sky and everything. And now we're gonna go ahead and have some dinner. Along the beach, there's thousands of restaurants, like I mentioned, and we found this one. We had some delicious tacos, probably the best tacos I had from this trip. Wow! Yeah, you are a local.
Oh la la!
Yeah!
Need to go crazy with the tacos.
So the next day we woke up with sunrise as usual. We went to the beach, had a walk, and after that we went to downtown to grab a coffee. Another cool thing to do in Tulum, if you're active like me, there is a jungle gym right at the beach. You just need to pay a fee and then you can just use the installations. So this place is so unique and one-of-a-kind experience. Pretty much here you're training in nature with nature, and it felt totally like in a Flintstone gym. Do you guys know the Flintstones? Well, the whole experience felt like that. So this one-of-a-kind project is the passion and love of fitness with nature, and pretty much the equipment here is designed and carved by local carpenters using natural materials from Mexico. So after the opening, which I think it was in 2017, it went viral on social media, and now it's pretty much in the list of one of the most visited gyms in the world. And naturally, what better way to finish up a workout than jumping in the water right at the beach? So right after that, we headed to the city again just to have lunch and spend the rest of the day just walking around, visiting every store, having drinks everywhere. Like I mentioned, there's every single corner you find places where you can just eat, have a drink, smoothies, a cocktail, just all types of natural drinks also. And there's no way you can ever get bored in this place. Wow, so today we're doing cenotes and we just arrived at one of them. There's many here, by the way, in Tulum, everywhere. So you just need to take a drive, or if you want also you can take a tour. We just drove to one of the city. It's called Dos Ojos and we just arrived there. So I'm excited. Let's see how it looks like. So this is the day after, and absolutely a must thing to do in Tulum is to visit cenotes. So a cenote is pretty much like an underground sinkhole of water, and they come in all types of size and shapes, and the most common one is like a cave one, but there's also in open air. So these cenotes are widely spread in the Yucatan Peninsula here in Mexico, and pretty much here you will find the world's largest underground cave systems ever. So we did the first cenote and now we're going to do the second one, and we shall see how it looks like, but so far amazing. And these are not the best ones. There's like many beautiful ones. I'm sure there's like better ones, but these were the closest one to us, so nice. So this one is the second one, and like I mentioned, this one is called Dos Ojos, and it's pretty much like half an hour away from the city center, which is the closest one to the city. Outside the cenotes, you will find like a little market with arts and crafts from local people, and obviously I had to get some souvenirs to take back home. This one is another cenote which is called Gran Cenote. It's pretty much 10 minutes away from the city center, which makes it the closest one. And that day was pretty full, so we didn't really stay that long, but it was also very beautiful. So back at the city, it was raining that day, so it was also quite nice to see a little bit of tropical rain. So we decided to just go ahead and have some lunch before, and then after that we wanted just to go ahead and look for a nice spot at the beach and just spend the rest of the day just chilling at the beach. Along the beach, there's thousands of cool beach clubs. We stayed at the Rock Beach Club, where we spent the afternoon just lounging at the pool and just enjoying the rest of the afternoon. It is dinner time, so we decided to have some Italian food just to change a little bit the vibe. So it's just a matter of a walk, and then at the street you found all types of restaurants. We found this Italian one. The food was really good. So we're pretty much done for today and ready to just finish up the day. So the next day we started very early. It's our last entire day in Tulum, and we had to take a corona test for our flight next day. So you will find everywhere here like little stands where you can take a fast corona test. So today we're visiting the rest of the spots we're missing, and this one here is very popular. There's a very cool cafe called Roll Off. Everybody comes here and takes pictures, and of course we're trying to enjoy it as much as possible the last day here. So this is pretty much our last entire day in this paradise. We have 2 more days, but this is the last entire day, and we're pretty much leaving tomorrow. And I don't want to leave. Love this place so much.
Look at the beach.
So we are definitely enjoying as much as possible being at the beach and hanging around the last hours in this magical place.
So this is pretty much the last day. My stay in Tulum has come to an end, and I'm so grateful, so happy. I feel so inspired and so in peace. So now I'm going back to Germany, and let's see what comes to me, what life brings to me soon next. Okay, so bye Tulum, bye beach.
So that's it, you guys. It is a wrap. My trip has come to an end. Oh my god, I enjoyed so much doing this series, and I hope you also enjoyed all the videos. If you enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. Please give it a like. Also, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell for my future videos. Remember to go ahead and check my previous video because there's a giveaway going on and you still have a chance to participate. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Stay well, you guys. Bye bye.